Welcome to EYGDS Automation Central, Automation Management Services Control Center, AMSCC, at Trivandrum, India. Automation Asset Controllers are a team of RPA engineers certified on multiple RPA platforms, such as Blue Prism and Automation Anywhere, that monitors, measures and maintains the firm's automation assets in a production environment.
Was the Global Alliance Lead at Blue Prism for the EY relationship, and I've been blown away by what we've seen here at the Automation Central facility. For three reasons really. The first, I think the scale of the operation and the way it's grown, as I understand, to over 300 people now, is simply best in class. You know, my understanding, no one else that works with Blue Prism has that level of scale being applied to show how the technology is being used to solve real business problems internally. The second thing that I've been really impressed with is the way that you're innovating beyond basic RPA. So some of the demos we saw about how the bot bank is being used, how that's being extended into machine learning and cognitive, some of the innovative ideas that you guys are building out to solve your own internal problems, but also those of clients has been really impressive as well. And then I think the third thing is specifically how it relates to stretching the boundaries of Blue Prism and actually providing us with feedback about how we can enrich our own story. It's vital that we get that feedback from partners because we have a 100% partner model. So we don't have that feedback necessarily from customers. So hearing from your teams who know our solution as well as any of our own people is just gold dust basically.
We work behind the scenes, managing and supporting automation assets, enabling GDS Automation Central to provide seamless services to its clients. The AMSCC currently operates as 2 units, manned 24/7, based out of GDS AC RPA centers in Trivandrum and Bangalore. Automation assets are deployed at EY Global Data Centers, which provide state-of-the-art secure infrastructure, designed in line with the security and performance recommendations from leading RPA tool vendors. We provide the following key services: control room monitoring, scheduling, bot configuration management, incident or problem management, patch management, user communications, report generation. We also provide value-added services such as license management, capacity management, bot optimization, red box country support, infrastructure monitoring tools. We continuously monitor the performance and health of the infrastructure on which our automation assets are hosted, with automated email alerts and ServiceNow ticketing. To enable rapid response for all predefined exception scenarios, we separately monitor the ServiceNow queue, RPA control room, and analytic dashboard. VM monitoring. Virtual machine or VM monitoring is done through VMware vSphere tool. This tool is also used to remotely monitor the automation assets as part of daily operations. Snow queue monitoring. ServiceNow, or Snow, is an ITIL standard ticketing tool for service requests, incidents and change management. Snow tickets can either be an incident or a service request. Any ticket raised in Snow will be assigned a priority by the requester, and these tickets will have a standard SLA based on the priority assigned. RPA control room monitoring. RPA control room monitoring uses the centralized control room functionality provided by leading RPA tool vendors, such as Blue Prism and Automation Anywhere for automation assets in production. We use the RPA control rooms to carry out activities, such as monitoring bot queues for process completion, occurrence of exceptions etc., configuration of bot execution schedule, or any manual intervention that may arise. We also use inbuilt dashboards provided by the RPA tools for monitoring and generating bot reports. The displayed Blue Prism dashboard can be used to visualize critical parameters, such as daily productivity, utilization, AHT etc. in real time. Analytics dashboard. we have developed a real-time analytics dashboard using Power BI, which gives a detailed insight of all automation assets in production. It also provides details based on the service functions, which can be further drilled down to the following granularity: process-level data including the number of processes and process names, machine-level data including the number of live bots and machines used, success rate, weekly utilization, volumes handled, total run time, average handling time, monthly analysis. We also generate customized and standard reports, which provide critical inputs that help businesses identify and understand the scope of leveraging their existing automation assets and gain maximum advantage from automation.
So the control room is unique again. So as part of the way you run your operation, I've not seen that with any other partner. The way you're able to differentiate and analyze and go into all the analytics about each individual use case is fantastic, and use that to enable better decision making is great. The applicability of that in terms of a service that you provide out to customers again is differentiating, and is something that we are actively looking now at moving into some of the sectors. Chris Lamberton talks about how that's being used in anger in some FSO clients. I see great applicability in some of the other markets as well, particularly in consumer products and life sciences. And we think there is there's an untapped potential there for this flexible service that is managed in a way that makes it easy for clients to get the benefits out of this exciting technology.
I've worked with overseas teams before, and it's always a little tricky to get going, but actually this team are really good at it. They put in the time and effort and energy to make sure that virtual working experience is fantastic. I'll give you a few examples. They always go the extra mile. When we get pressure at our end from our business leaders to get something released, the team in India will work the extra hours. They'll find a way to bring people into the engagement. They'll just find a way to get it done, and they sort of do that without us having to beg and borrow. The other big thing for me is that they feel like part of our team. It's not us in the UK working with Automation Central in India. We are one group team. We work out problems between each other. We get to solutions between each other, and we share in the success.
Our bots are deployed at EY global data centers, which provide state-of-the-art secure infrastructure designed in line with security and performance recommendations from the RPA tool vendors. As part of Level 3 support, our bot runners provide the following key services: control room monitoring, scheduling, bot configuration management, incident or problem management, patch management, user communications, report generation. As part of Level 4 support, our bot operations provide the following key services: bot environment setup, bot deployment, code fix and updates, process KT or code review, change management for minor and medium changes.
For more details,